has a new sound profile. In line with our new visual guidelines, we now also have audio guidelines. The sound profile is based on 3 elements: the sun, the click, and the key. First, like the visual concept, we have based the sound profile on the sun. We have used an actual recording of the sun, yes, that exists, and created an instrument from it. This instrument will be used in all sound productions for Yale. The next element, the click sound, is something that refers to Yale's old heritage as a mechanical lockmaker. The click is also the sound of a perfect match, to click with someone. We recorded an old lock from the Yale Lock Museum in Connecticut and created the perfect click sound. The last element in the Yale sound concept is the key, the musical key. We took the name Yale and separated the last 3 letters, italicized the L and got a chord, A-E, the key. We also needed a melody, a rhythm, something that can be knocked on a door, something that can be buzzed on your phone for notification. This became the melody. Together, these 3 elements constitutes the Yale Sound logo. From that, we have developed sounds for the Yale products, for example, an opening sound and a closing sound. The 3 elements is also used in musical themes that can be heard in media productions from Yale. The morning theme, the sunrise theme, and the catwalk theme. All of this constitutes the Yale Sound concept. So, whenever you are producing media content for Yale or implementing sound in one of our products, think about that all sounds are brand carriers and that it is important that we align how Yale is heard. Thank you for listening.